Hello, beautiful friends. Desiree here, and welcome back to Danzique Fitness. Thank you so much for joining me today for this 5-minute squat challenge. So in this challenge, we'll be doing both traditional parallel squats along with externally rotated ballet squats. So you guys are going to feel the burn in multiple places of the leg and, of course, that booty. All right, everyone, let's get started. Here we go. Okay, let's start in a parallel position. We're going to pulse it down 4 times, and then we're going to externally rotate the legs, take a little jump, hold, and bring it back to the parallel to repeat. That's it, guys. So the most important thing to remember, when you're in your parallel squat, you're allowed to stick that booty out. But when you're in a turned out or externally rotated ballet squat, you have to make sure that that tailbone is shooting straight down to the floor. All right, guys, keep this going. We have 11 seconds left. Core is engaged, shoulders down, stay in control. All right, shake out those legs. We have 4 more exercises. So each exercise is for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. Let's start with the legs closed. We're going to just step out. Good. 4 times to the right. And then we go 4 times to the left. So we're keeping the legs in the parallel position the whole time. The booty is sticking back, but you're keeping your chest and your chin up. Belly button pulling in and up the whole time. Good. And try to stay as low as possible. Good. You guys are going to especially feel this one in those buns and in the quads. Nice job. All right. Shake out those legs, and then we'll move on to exercise number 3. All right, we're in a turned out ballet second position, and then we are going to lift the knee as we twist the hips. So for this one, tailbone is constantly shooting straight down to the floor. We're not sticking that butt out, neutral spine, neutral pelvis. And as you twist the knee, I want you to think of keeping your shoulders facing the wall straight out in front of you. So we're not turning the whole upper body, right? We're not turning the upper body at all, actually. Upper body stays facing the front. We're just turning those hips, adding a nice little twist in the waist. Good. And you'll probably feel this in the obliques as well. Yes. All right. Excellent job. Shake it out. We have 2 more left. All right, we're turned out again for this one. We're going to pulse down 3 times and then lift to a ballet attitude to the side. That's it. So those knees are always facing out to the side. When you lift up the leg, you're shooting your knee straight up to the sky. Good. This is an excellent challenge for your balance as well. You have to really make sure you're shifting your weight all the way over to that supporting leg. Good. Reaching the arms up as the leg comes up. Make sure the shoulders stay down. Nice long neck. All right. Yes, those legs and booty should be on fire by now. All right, guys, we have 1 more. Stick with me. Let's start turned out. We're going to take it down. We're going to turn it in, jump up, tap those ankles together, and we start from the top. Turn out, turn in, jump and tap, rotate back out. In and tap, and out. Good, guys. Keep repeating this so the pelvis is shifting a little bit, right? When the legs are turned out, tailbone is down, you turn in, the butt sticks out, and then bring the pelvis back to that neutral position as you jump up in the air. Good. Stay in control. Stay low in those squats. Almost there. 7 seconds. Woohoo! All right, friends, you have done it. 5 minutes goes by so fast. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you have some extra time, I want you to stretch with me. So I just want you to grab those right toes, reaching up with that left arm. Good. Really solidify that supporting leg, and we're going to reach forward as we extend the leg back. This is a really nice stretch for the quad and the hip flexor. And we'll do the same thing on the other side, standing up nice and tall, abs in tight. Grab those left toes, reaching up with the right arm. Good, and reach it forward as you shift the weight slightly forward, allowing that leg to release behind. Good, and bring the knee back down. And you are complete. Thank you so much for joining me today for this 5-minute squat challenge. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Press that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my workouts. Comment down below if you have any questions, and please share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye.